This old guy DIY video has to do with the technique that I use to replace the handle on the throttle control of a 1992 John Deere lawnmower with a 29-cent PVC adapter. So a hot chick that I know has owned this machine for about 5 years, and a couple of years ago the handle broke off. So now she said when she has to move it from choke down into any other position, it's just kind of difficult and it hurts her hand. So I looked online and replacement handles were about 10 bucks. I didn't want to do that. So I grabbed a little 1/2-inch CPVC connector and I just picked a drill bit that was approximately the same width as the metal here. And I effectively milled out a little slot in the CPVC. I take this and drop it down over that throttle control. Just push the thing on there. She'll have easy engagement. Won't hurt her hands. Probably 29 cents in 2 minutes. It looks to me like a good solution. As a retainer, I just put a zip tie in there. You see this thing can go up and down a little bit, but it's not coming off. That'll make for easy operation for whoever it is that runs this mower. I think it's a good functional, low-cost solution to a common problem. Thanks for watching and have a great day.